About this item, the Funturbo PSP charger replaces the PSP original power outlet AC adapter charger forever. With this USB cable, to carry a bulky brick adapter is not an option anymore. Simply wrap this cable in your PSP case for easy transport. Latest design PSP USB cable with better performance and workmanship in the market. Heavy-duty 28 AWG wires with 2 strands of 12 copper cord cables serve their standalone purposes for battery charging and stable data transmission for your PSP. Treated with cable protector on the USB, charging port and splitter for a longer time span. The wire also passed the RoHS certification, which is eco-friendly. A smelly and cheap PSP cable may harm your health, so we care. You can charge your PSP by plugging into the USB port on your laptop/PC, any smartphone USB charger with proper voltage, 5V1A2A, or a powerful charger for faster charging, wall charger, car charger, portable charger, or charger dock. 2-in-1 USB 2.0 Type A to Mini B and DC connector. 100% compatible with PC USB file transfers and data syncing for PlayStation 3 console. Best companion with Funturbo PSP memory stick adapter for anyone willing to copy .iso and other files to your PSP. Cable length, 3.9 feet, 2 cables pack. Compatible with Sony PSP 1002.